Hi everyone, thank you for supporting this important ministry. By request, we've created a tutorial video on how to sign up and access the streaming conference. Once signed up, you will be able to experience the conference from the comfort of your home or wherever you may be, on your computer, mobile device, or Roku-enabled TV. You can enjoy the conference for 6 months from the time of purchase. More information about Roku can be found in the help section of Vimeo.com. Please note, in order to have the highest quality and reduce risk, all sessions will be uploaded to Vimeo immediately after they conclude at the conference. The first session on Vimeo will be available at approximately 11:30 a.m. Central Time, Friday, March 23rd. Each subsequent session will be uploaded in the same manner. Okay, let's get started. From the Hear the Watchmen homepage, you can access the Vimeo site by clicking here, or you can type in the URL, which is vimeo.com/on-demand/HTW 2018 Dallas. Once on the Vimeo site, click here or here to begin purchasing the conference. An important note, you must have a Vimeo account in order to purchase the conference. If you do not have a Vimeo account, this screen will guide you through. Simply type in your first and last name, the email that you wish to associate with the account, and choose a password, and then click Join with Email. If you have a current Vimeo account, simply log in here, enter your password, and you will be taken to a billing screen. You can use your PayPal account, or you can enter a credit card here. Type your credit card number here, your expiration month and year, your billing zip code, and the security code on either the front or the back of your card. You can also save your credit card information for future purchases. If you have a promo code, you can click this box and enter it right here. Once you've purchased, you'll simply come back to this site and be able to watch the content beginning on March 23rd, again at approximately 11:30 a.m. Remember, you have 6 months to view content from the date of purchase, so you won't miss a thing. Also, be sure to check out our past conferences here on Vimeo. All past conferences are now available for half off the original price. Thank you again for your support, and may God bless you.